Guys, let's talk about finding where a function is increasing, decreasing, or constant given the graph. And we're going to give our answers in interval notation. So for these problems, we're going to use what's called an open notation, and we're going to use the parentheses for all of them. It is technically correct to also use the brackets or to use maybe one of each. It just depends on the preference of who you're reporting to. In this case, they're writing all of their answers using open notation, which just means we're not really including the endpoints in our answer. No real reason why to choose one over the other, just whatever you're being asked to do. Another little tip on these, when we're asked where something is, the x value is going to tell us where something is. So for example, this one says determine the intervals on which the function is constant. And so what we're looking at here is where is the function flat, where it's not going up and it's not going down. So we're going to look at the x to talk about this particular first part of the graph where it's constant. It starts at -6 and it goes to -3, and that's how we'll report that little segment there. And then for the other segment, we're going to report that it starts at 1 and it goes to 5. And that's how you answer those. When you get to the next one, it asks us to find intervals where we are strictly decreasing. And for this segment right here is the only decreasing. We have two up segments and two constant segments. That's the decreasing one. So we're going to look down here at x to tell where to start at -1, and then it carries on going down until we get to 1, and that's how we will report that answer right there.